Please don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more videos. And what else do you say there? Hi guys, it's Maria here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. And today I'm a little bit excited because we are going to do some unpacking. That's a new brand for me. I've never had a bag from this brand. And let's share this excitement with me. I purchased this bag around a week ago directly from the website, and let's see what came. Ta-da! Yes, it's a very little bag. You know I'm a massive fan of little bags and micro bags, and yes, I've already opened that, so it's not the actual unpacking, but I'm still very excited to open up and show it up to you. And it's a beautiful packaging and a beautiful bag from Burberry. Look how beautiful the packaging is. A brown box inside. And it's very important to note that all packaging is recyclable. Everything, including a little bow and a ribbon over here. And that's why the color of inside is light mint. And I will also show you a dust bag, which is a light mint as well. And the Burberry agenda, that's their way to show and label eco-friendly materials and their sustainability. I will mention a little bit more about that later on in the video, but that's about one of the reasons why I actually like Burberry so much. Let's open it. Okay, a tap here. Ta-da! That's the notes here. That's a receipt here. I love those envelopes. They're so nice. And so I like touching things, and those envelopes, the quality, the paper, wow, I love it. I love it. When I touch that, it's so cool. A little bit light mint tissue paper, which again shows that it's fully recyclable. And a light mint dust bag. Beautiful cotton dust bag. Yes, the bag is going to be very small. Let's open it up to see and reveal the bag. Ta-da! How tiny and cute and beautiful it is. I love it. And it has all the signature features of Burberry as well. Let me introduce to you Burberry belt bag. This video will have a few life hacks, how to purchase Burberry bags, and also bags in general, and how to get them a really cute bags but really cheap price. Relatively cheap, of course, but cheap for those luxury bags. So stay with me till the end of the video. I will be revealing those life hacks one by one through the video. Let's see what we have there. We have loads of tissue paper to keep a shape of the bag. Wow, it's plenty. Yep. Oh, we have a little care instruction there as well. Is it? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Product care. And again, those really nice envelopes. We have a Burberry labels. Yep, that's what it is. Oh, and a little plastic there. Let's remove it. That's it. That's it. How cute and nice that is. Love it. Love it how beautiful and smooth and nice this leather as well. We have textile, Burberry signature check textile in the middle. It's kind of like a canvasy, but I wouldn't call that a canvas in like, you know, like a Gucci bags or a Louis Vuitton bags. No, I would, like, it's just a textile insert, but quite tough textile. And we have a leather trimming all the way through the bag, all the way through there. We have a gold hardware, quite shiny and nice, and we have a gold studs all the way through here, and a little Burberry logo just at the bottom. On the back, it's a belt loop there, and there's no feet at the bottom. The leather, as I said, very smooth and nice. It's some sort of like a smooth cuff leather, so I think that will be easily scratched, to be honest with you. I already touched that in a few places when I opened it the first time, and I can see a little scratches over here. But just because it's a belt bag, I kind of like don't care if it's going to be a few scratches here and there. I think because of the color, the black color of the leather, they're not going to be so noticeable. But then those little scratches, I don't mind them, to be honest. But I will give you an update later on, maybe in a couple of months, how this leather is doing. What else we have inside the dust bag? And it's a belt. Belt has quite a few adjustment holes over here, fully removable, and it has a gold hardware as well. What I like about the bag and the belt, that you can remove the belt completely and you can put a different belt, or maybe even gold chain, or a different strap, or anything like that. Let me cut those labels first to make this bag properly mine, so I can tell you more about this bag. How cute and nice it is. I actually love it so much. Inside the bag we have a matching cotton lining and the pocket. Quite one big spacious pocket, and no dividers or compartments or anything like that. But that's the usual structure inside belt bag. I'm surprised to find this large pocket as well, because usually those kind of bags, they don't have them. It's just a one big, you know, space inside, but this one has a pocket as well. I like Burberry as the company and as a brand, and I wanted to purchase something from them for a really long time, but unfortunately I didn't know where to start and what to get, and I think this bag is the perfect starting point of my relationship with Burberry. This bag was only £350. Why is it so cheap? And this is a life hack number one. That's so cheap, and it's only £350 because I purchased that from the kids category. Yes, Mulberry do some kids clothing, bags and accessories, and if you have a look into their kids bags, some of them are really good, really cute, and can be easily used by adults. I've found out about this a little life hack from the internet, and it was in relation of the Gucci bum bags or belt bags, and they are only £260 for kids bags, but then they are big enough and they have the all adjustments on the belt so any adult can wear them. And I was wondering, after finding out about Gucci bags and their kids bags, you know, £260 for a canvas belt bag, and then they're just a regular adult belt bag made of the same canvas would be around 600, 700 pounds. Yes, that's the big difference. So after finding this out, I was searching more on the internet and I was wondering, what if Burberry does the same thing? And then I came across of this little cutie on their website. I will definitely leave the link below for you to check this out. They still have that bag available on their website. I know this bag is also available on other multi-branded websites as well. Why I like Burberry as a brand? First of all, because it's heritage. The brand was established in 1856 by Thomas Burberry, and his main goal was to protect people from the bad weather, famous, infamous British bad weather with his clothing. It's a very old brand and it represents the old Britishness, the old heritage, and it's definitely part of the history. Secondly, it's because of the contemporary part of Burberry story and how much they focus on sustainability now. As I mentioned before in the beginning of the video, all their packaging is recycled and they use a light green mint color of their dust bags, of their boxes, just to show that this is recyclable and then it's reusable and that is sustainable. Let's get back to this cutie. I'm going to show you some mod shots how I'm wearing this bag, and believe me, there is quite a few ways you can wear that apart from just a regular the belt bag on your waist. And also I'm going to show you some close-ups and what we can fit in this bag. Let me show you in those mod shots how I'm going to wear this bag. So first of all, as it's meant to be, as a belt bag. Just around your waist or a little bit lower. And this is where the life hack number 2 comes in. Because this bag comes from the kids collection, there is a very limited amount of holes on the bag. So this particular bag I purchased, it's a size 60, which means that the belt would suit a waistline around 60 centimeters. So what I did, to give a little bit more space for me to wear that, I've just added in the hardware store a little bit more holes on the back, just all the way down on the belt. And it just gave me a more freedom to wear this bag. I'm obviously not size 60 around the waist. I'm usually a size 10, 5'3", 163 centimeters tall. Also, you can wear that as a shoulder bag on your right or left shoulder, and it's a kind of like a backpack style. And you can also wear this bag as a little clutch bag in your hands. Let me show you some close-ups of the bag. We have a golden hardware here on the zip. Really nice, good quality of the zip. Golden studs all the way around the bag. And golden hardware on the belt as well. In the middle, signature Burberry check textile insert. Really nice, a good quality. And the leather trimming. The belt is completely removable and it has quite a few holes over here with additional ones which I made myself. Not myself, but in a hardware store. And this is where the life hack number 3 comes in, because I'm planning to remove this belt completely and purchase a very similar smooth leather black belt with a gold hardware, and where this bag is crossbody. So at the moment this belt is not long enough to wear this across body, but the longer size, let's say from the males department, would do. And this bag would look perfectly as the crossbody sitting around my chest. Inside the bag, let me show you closer, we have check lining and one pocket. So no department, no components, no dividers, just a one pocket. This bag is cute, tiny, but mighty. Inside the bag, you can easily fit in iPhone plus size. Also, flat key holder, flat card holder, earphones, AirPods, a lipstick, or a lip balm. Believe me, all of that easily go inside there. Thank you very much for watching today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. If you did, please hit thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell. Enjoy your day and see you next time. Okay. Did I say let's get back to the scooter, yeah? It's a greenhouse gas emission. Am I right? Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say here.